74. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Powers and Exponents. Chapter 5. Yesterday we completed our rational numbers chapter. Exercise 4.1 and 4.2, we completed all the sums. So that alone is there for rational number. 4.3 not needed. And we have seen some one or two sums for revision. Okay, remaining things are there which is needed, but I will be star kids, you did not say, that we'll say later. Whenever you do, that day we'll say. Division sums as a test when you do, that day we'll say. Okay. Yesterday time went off in telling answers itself, no? Okay, Bhavadharani, you are a star kid only. Don't worry. So, about finding the value and subtraction of rational numbers, addition of rational numbers, multiplication. So the remaining problems are there in the review that we will cover every now and then in worksheets, in revision test, in summatives, whenever needed, that time we will cover from the same questions only I will take. Now, powers and exponents. To start with the introduction of this, now listen carefully without any disturbance. Now, if a number is keeping on repeated, A into A into A into A, n number of times, n factors, if the number is repeated, then we write A to the power of n. Like this, any number, A means I mean any number. It can be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever it is. When a number is repeated like that, we say, okay, n number of factors, then it's called as A power n. No, Navinaditya, it is not 6n. A power n. Now, for example, number 5. Okay, if a number 5 is repeated like this, 3 times when it is repeated, now when I say introduction or explanation, don't type anything in the chat box. You don't know anything about the chapter, now only we have started. So when I ask after the example sums, when I ask in the exercise, that time you type the answers or type your views. What do you think, which answer you are getting, that and all while solving exercise. Now only we have started the chapter. Okay, there is nothing for you to tell now. Now listen. 5 into 5 into 5. Any number, when it is repeated. Now this, for example, this number 5 is repeated 3 times. It is denoted by 5 power 3. This number 5 is called as the base. The base of the base number of this is 5. And the power is called as an exponent. That's what the chapter is about, powers and exponents. So in this example, 5 power 3, 5 is known as the base and the power is called as exponent. The other word for power is exponent. The exponent is 3. And indicating the number like this is known as exponential notation. We call like that. Okay, the question will be simplify and express in the form of exponential notation. If we say so, you have to bring in this form. If we ask find the value for the number, then you have to multiply that and write 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Like this in numbers, in integers when you write, it is called the value. This one is called as an exponential notation. We call like that, where 5 is the base and 3 is the power. Power means the exponent. Okay. This chapter is again there in 8th standard also, where first itself you will have the laws of exponents. First itself we have laws of exponents. What is there, how the powers must be dealt with, everything is there in 8th standard also. Now we will see what portion we have. We too have laws of exponents. That is after the first exercise we have. So not during first exercise. So first we will complete the thing. For example, some 2 examples alone we will see. Then I will move on to the exercise. Now, for example, example 1, it will be asked like this. Question will be, work out the following, find the value. Like this, the question will be. Okay. Finding the value for this number, or work out the following. Minus 1 power 5, which means first step, 2 steps I need. 2 marks. If you write direct answer, no marks. If you think you know that and writing direct answer, I don't know that. So I won't give full marks. First step must be like this. To repeat the number 5 times. Which power is there that many times? Power is 20, write 20 times. Power is 15, write 15 times. So now the power is 5. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. This is step 1. Step 2, you may get the answer. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is always 1 only. And I have told many times, when the power is odd number, you will get a negative sign only as an answer. When the power is even number, you will get a positive answer. So power 5, which is an odd number, so answer will be minus 1 only. This is the answer. You can do like this, or you can do minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus. Like that also you can say. How you are familiar with, like that. The easiest way is to see the power. The power, whichever number it may be. If it is an odd number, which means odd number of times it is repeated. Negative number. Positive, no problem. Answer is positive only. For a negative number, if the power is even, then ma'am, 9 can't understand one more. Which 9? Which 9 you are talking about? This is example, minus 1. So minus 1 power 5. Listen carefully, we'll understand everything. Listen. So 5 means 5 times it is repeated. 1 into 1, don't write 5. We are not adding. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Odd many times, so negative answer. That's all. Now minus 3 should be repeated 4 times. How many times the power? That many times to repeat. This is book example only. Go through page number 75. This is a book example. A, B, C, D, E, F, E are given. I have taken 2 examples. 4 means minus 3 should be repeated 4 times. Okay. What is the power? That many times to repeat. Now first number to multiply, then sign. Or sign to write, then number. However you like. Even power. Even power means the answer should be positive. Always. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into plus. Plus only. Like that also can say, or can say even means always this. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. Like that it is. It is not 12, Alan. We are multiplying. I am not adding. Multiplication. I am not adding anything. No 12. 12 means you are adding. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. Here also I told that. Yes. So plus 81. So this is the way. How many times the power? That many times to write the number, to multiply the number, then sign to write. If it is odd, that's what I have taken two examples like that. Odd power negative, even power always answer positive. Then easy thing. Now ask any doubts means we will move on to the exercise now. Exercise 5.1. 5.1 exercise very easy. Powers and exponents itself is very easy chapter 1. This is no need to copy these examples. It is there given in the page number 75. As I already told, it's given there. Now we are in page number 76. Exercise 5.1. Yeah. If I write here space, still more it will become short. I won't get enough place to write. That's what I wrote here. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Express A, B, C, D. 4 sums are given. 2 I will do. A and B, round and keep for you as a homework sum. Homeworks always to keep on practicing. Whichever problem I say as homework, you can do at any time. Whenever you feel free, whenever you do math, that time, check the material. If it is not in the material, it is a homework sum. So that questions all you must do and practice. Yes, A and B, yes. Because homeworks, now in the middle cycle test will come. So whenever you have cycle test, you won't get homeworks. Right, because yesterday why you didn't get? Because today you have cycle test. So whenever you have cycle test, you won't get the homework. That day and all you won't be having. And today also you won't be having, some other subjects will be. So if you want to do math, so check the material, see the classwork sums, then do the homework sums. Anytime you can be keeping on doing. First chapter, then second, then third, fourth and all. Because homework is coming back only. We are still now in homework second chapter only. Because all the days you don't get, no, that is the reason. Other subjects also needed, no. So today which exam you have? 8th are having maths today. Which subject for you? Tamil. Okay. Okay. Now express A, B, C, D. 4 questions are given. Question A, 32 as a power of 2. Okay. Question number 2, 729 as a power of 3. These two homeworks. How to do in the same way how I do C and D. Same way. Now 256 as a power of 4, which means we have to write in 4 power something, which means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That we will know only when you divide by 4. When we keep on dividing the number by 4, we will know that how much it is. How many times 4 is coming. As a power of 4, 4 to do. In the homework sum, power of 2 is there. Keep on dividing by 2 and write with 2 power. How we do in the same way. Now 4 only to use because they told that prime factorization means will not use 4. Okay, this is not prime factorization. This is what is asked. As a power of 4, 4 to use. Power of 3, 3 to use. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 1, 16. 4 4s are 16. Do you know this? Prime factorization last year. I have told this. We did last year. You were my batch only, no 6th standard. Prime factorization, LCM, HCF time, I taught you how to do. If you are not able to do directly, I told to do like this. 256 to write, 4 to write. This is the Dividend, this is the 4. LCM no ma, only this like this only, dividing only. LCM no LCM. Addition, subtraction, only LCM. 6 4s are 24. 25 minus 24, 1. 6 down. 4 4s are 16. This answer to copy down. If you can't do directly. I have a practice, so I do like this only. So 64 4s are. Next, again 4. Only 4 to use. Power of 4 means only 4. 1 4s are 4. 6 minus 4, 2 remainder right here at the top. 24. 6 4s are 24, which means 16 4s are 64. I will erase. Again 4. 4 4s are 16. Again 4. 1 4s are 4. Stop at 1. Now check how many times we have got. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 times on multiplying this number, which means keeping on successive division. Then only we'll get the factors. Okay, why we are dividing? Because we will get the thing that how many times it should be repeated. 4 power 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 power 4. So this number is written like that. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 16 are like this. 4 6 times. Okay, 4 times when the number is repeated, that is 4 power 4. Factor tree method, no Pritika. No factor tree, we have to use this method only. Because in this we use prime factorization only. This full exercise itself is about normal thing and prime. This is not prime. I don't say this is prime. This is not a prime number. But in this exercise itself, you have prime factorization also. Okay, question number 5 is about prime factorization. Question number 7. That and all we have to do. So we will follow that one. So keeping on dividing by means of power of 4. We have to divide the exponent to power. Yes. Which number they say that to keep on dividing and to write. In these type of questions should be like that. Darshini, everything is correct, you concentrate. You check your connection. My connection is good on. Understood this? Now let us see one more. C over D. D is 15625. 15625 has a power of 5. This is the question. Same thing. Homework sum has a power of 2. You have to keep on dividing by 2. Homework sum has a power of 3. 729 has a power of 3. Keep on dividing 729 by 333. Then should write 3 powers. Now these two numbers are somewhat bigger one. So I am doing 15625. I will be doing by the 5 table because we want power of 5. These types of question only like this, not all the questions. These type of questions, what is asked, do that. That's all. 3 5s are 15. Then 1 5s are 5, remainder 1, 12. 2 5s are 10, remainder 2. This remainder I am writing up, okay? 25, 5 5s are 25. It will attach with the next number. It is easy way, learn how to do, it is easy. 3 5s are 15, 1 5s are 5, 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 carry. That carry means that will come in the top. So that attached to the next number, 12. 5 2s are 10, remainder 2. That 2 must write like this. 5 5s are 25. It is easy then to erase this. Shouldn't have that and all. Only 5 to use. 6 5s are 30. 31 minus 31. 1 here. Carry. 12. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 2 here. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 1. 12. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Still to keep on doing. This 25 here no place. So I am continuing here. I must continue here only. So no place. So we are writing here. 5 5 is 25. 1 5 is 5. To stop at 1. Now to write the number. That side no place. So I am writing this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into means product. 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 5 power 6 is the answer. Don't multiply again. We want as an exponential notation only. Express, they are asking. Express this number as a power of 5, which means we must keep on dividing and must write the numbers as a power of 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 power 6. We wrote as a power of 5, which means this number must be repeated 6 times like this to get this number. This is 1D. Clear? Any doubts? Tuck, type it off. Valid doubts must be. Simply for name reason, shouldn't ask. Is it possible to have a fraction as a power instead of the whole numbers? No, ma, we won't get a fraction as a power. Even if we have that, if a fraction is there, we have to apply laws of exponents. Like this, it won't be. Not in the form of divisor. You won't get like that. If we can have a fraction, but that we have to apply laws of exponents. It will be given in the question. Use laws of exponents and solve it. That is another method, not this one. This method as a power method will be like this. And prime factorization will be like this only. Only should use prime numbers. Yes, at one only should stop. Yes. This all will come to you in your material. Whatever I am solving in the class will come to you. Now first I have to send the previous chapter. I have sent you first chapter material is with you. 2 and 3 are with you because that is the portion, no? Fractions are there with you in your mobile phone. Decimal is there. Check it properly. Fractions and decimals together I have sent. That is your cycle test portion. Fractions and decimal. Now today or tomorrow. Today Friday, no? Okay. Today or tomorrow I will be sending rational numbers. Okay. Full chapter. What we completed. This is 4.1, 4.2 I will be sending. And this powers and exponents. This also I have to. This after completing I am thinking to send. After thinking only, after doing only, I will be sending. Because if I send before itself, what happens? No, children start typing. When I will be saying something, you will be typing the answer. Because you will have the material. No, if I say workout, they will type the answer from the material. So after completion only, that's better. Then you will listen. Question number 2. Which is greater? Okay, which is greater? A and B. 2 sums are there. 1 I will do. B1 you will do. Whenever you want, you can do the homeworks in the max note. Okay, which day you get a nice time when you have mood to do, that day you can do the max homework. It's not like that homework schedule only must come. I must tell that C and D, then only C and D. It is not so. Whenever I say which number is not there in the classwork, A I am doing, B homework. A, B if I do, C, D if I do, A, B homework. So round and keep, whenever want you are free, keep on doing. Write exercise number, write HW, homework, keep on writing. And do. If you face any difficulty, ask me. During class hour, last 5 minutes, you can ask me any doubts in homeworks also. I will tell you how to. 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. They are asking which is greater. Directly by seeing the number, nobody can say. We have to work out to know that. So what is the meaning? 4 power 3 is 4, 4, 4. This is this. 3 times I have repeated. 3 power 4 means what is the meaning? Power should be that many times. Okay, this is base. Base only should write. Base must be repeated 4 times. Base must be repeated. Okay, this many we wrote, this many we wrote. Now we have to multiply. 4 for the 16, 16 4 are 64. This number. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. 81. Now which side is bigger? 61 greater, 81 greater, 64, 81 is greater. So 4 power 3 is smaller. 3 power 4 only greater because we are writing 4 times. This side we wrote only 3 times because the power was only 3. Power means that many times to repeat this base number. Base only should repeat. Okay, 4 power means 3 means don't write 3 3 3 3. 4 4 4 3 times. So getting the answer and telling which side is greater. Same thing you will have B also. 5 power 2. This is the homework sum. 5 power 2 bigger. 2 power 5 is greater. This is 5 5 is 25. Here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So 32 bigger, 25 bigger, 32 greater. This is homework sum. Always homework sum will be easier only, similar to that of what I say. You have your material. So before the homework schedule comes, you will have the material. Now, for example, second exercise homeworks are going on. But you have the material up to third exercise. So whenever you have doubt, you open the homeworks and see how they did. Same way you have to proceed the thing. You already tell the answer. Yes, for some children, they want to know the idea. I'm not doing the homework sum. I won't do. If I do, then what is the meaning in giving homework? Idea I will tell you. So A over. Because long back when I studied in school and all, no, our ma'am, long back when I was studying the 6th, 7th standard and all, our ma'am, she was not explaining the homeworks and all. Just they will tell which is the homework sum. That's all. This, that's all. We won't be knowing only how to do. Sometimes we will have doubt, you won't be knowing, she won't tell that how to do. So nowadays, I don't follow that. I say that how to do same pattern. Before it was new. We were not knowing how to do. We used to ask our friends and all, and then we used to do. So we want to tell what is that. Question number 3. What's the time? 10 o'clock, 9 minutes. Okay. We'll start our question 3 tomorrow. Okay. Any more doubts? Nothing. How are the classes going on? Other classes? Going on fine? Now everyone are used to this online, no? Following daily, yes. Uploading and all, no difficulties, no? Able to write and take a photograph and able to upload, no? Examinations, because links and all are coming properly nowadays. Long back and all, you had a difficulty, yes. Nowadays, links are coming nicely only. Even 6th standard are also doing. Okay. So take a photograph, write neatly. You can follow either a cycle text note. If you don't have a notebook, write in a A4 sheet, however it is. But don't take two pages at a time. Don't take 2 pages at a time. Page-wise do, because in mobile corrections are very, very difficult for us. We need to zoom out, zoom in and see closely, then only should do. Yes. 2 sides. Brother is writing and sending. Okay. It's easy only. You also learn page-wise, you take photograph, convert into PDF, then send properly. Even if we are not getting the paper, we will call out the names now. When I say marks, you will know that your paper is not there. Immediately, same day, you send your paper. Even if it is not there, not to worry, you can send your paper. You don't have the book, somebody is telling something. textbook is not there means you have the textbook in the classroom. Digital copy is there, ma. Ma'am has sent long back. In that you have 5 chapters, I think so. You have the thing. PDF format, it is there in the classroom. Otherwise, you can ask in the office. They will give the digital format. They will be sending in the to your email ID. It is there in the classroom. All the Macmillan textbooks are there. So if you don't have, Timin Taran also, if you don't have digital textbooks are there, it is there. Long back in June month, Evo sir, he has posted in the classroom. I saw, no. I opened and I saw. 5 chapters, I think, are there. If you want, you call office, give your email ID. They will be sending to you the textbook. In phone, I mean in mobile phone. Those who paid the fees, you will be having the textbook. 3 chapters are only there, Naveen Aditya. Okay, okay. Okay, that is enough now. Now we have only second and third chapter. Tamil book is full book. That is government book. This is Macmillan, no? Okay.